Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Crest Higher Secondary School ke badan renja ke Shipotrik ujileo arajar arpusau kalayo ban Pynkup Burom de ke khusnam Dr. Lord Step Laurie Conville Memorial Achievement Award shiki Khynnah puli ke bala pas baha ke eksamen Sslc ke badang syudap penbanasyan ye ke result bat kumjuru igi Nonghikai ke bala dan benta ban kinteu ye ke Khynnah puli jong ke school ha ke ban yoru ye ke distinction Bakintup ya ke subject health education kibala yo shispa na ke shispa. Hagani ke sngi lawan banedan lang do ba McDonald Marbanyang ubade joint director jong ke embus ubala long kum kongsan nang ta ke kong EC pariat advisor jong ke school ba Ediwar rangba snong jong ke snong renja ba AL Monte pariat principal bat kiwei kibala syakot ngobha. Khynnah ke balai pediang ni ke khusnam hagni ke sngi ke kintop ya Uma Rani Norem ke balai ke kerdan ke bakhat ndreu Sonali Devi balai ke kerdan ke bakhat pra Isha Tara Begum balai ke kerdan ke bak arpho kat ba ki Nonghikai ke balai sya Pynkup Burom na ke benta ke jingla jongki ban kinteu ya ke kam hikai bat ru ban penpoi ke Khynnah pulis ke kerdan ke basalor ke kintop ya Miss Gracia Lingdotron ibalah hikai ha ke subject health education chemistry but science nangta ibabu Bibi Shaw bahikai ya ke mathematics but Miss Papuri Bordaloy ibade vice principal.
Academically, but also in extracurricular activities. An amazing teacher who's ever ready to face any kind of challenges. This is our Miss Grace to reach such heights.
The very best way that
So anyway, thank you so much.
Those who have always been with us all these years, from Vishnong and everyone who have given us the support, and especially most of all for Mr. Marbanyang for being here and giving us this very good support for the school by your presence here. So I would like to congratulate, of course, not only the teachers who have come up here, but those teachers of the other subjects also who have been behind our students all these years and who have given them support, guidance, and given their time.
Academically, but also in extracurricular activities. An amazing teacher who's ever ready to face any kind of challenges. This is our Miss Grace to reach such heights.
In fact, everyone, I always feel that because I started with the class playgroup and nursery, and the reason for starting the school with those was to give them that base, that they will, so that they can have it as they go up the classes, and that we have seen in some of our students who have reached the top. One is Miss Begum, who was here from nursery. But it so happens that unfortunately when the children go up to the higher classes, they move on to the bigger schools. So we've lost a lot of them. And so with the ones that we have, we've managed to get them to get a full pass for all the years. And this year also it was a 100% pass. And I'm so happy that in these little steps that we are being able to take from year to year, we've been able to encourage them. And I hope that, because my passion was for this area, when we first came here, there were hardly any houses here. So from that time, I've always felt that why not give the children of this area and the surrounding areas the same facilities that the schools in Nonghikai or other areas are having. And that is our aim, and that is what we're trying to do. And with this year, I think we've got a very good momentum, and we hope that in the future years to come, we will give the same results. And I want to thank all the teachers who have been able to give us the support right from the nursery right up to class 10 and class 12 also. Thank you all very much. And once again, I welcome and thank everyone who's here to give us this support today.
It's a privilege to me to be here today, as the principal of the schools used to come often to my office to discuss especially how to improve the school. And I have seen the sea of change in the schools. I was inquiring from Mrs. Parrott in which year the school was started. It was the year 1996. So that means they have crossed 25 years, now it's 28 years. And even prior to this year also, some students, they already got in the, in the merit list of the Sslc exams. But this year is exemplary, where three positions schools they got this year. It's a huge congratulations from my side to the principal, to the vice principal, to all the teachers, and especially to the students. It's a collaborative, success, working together. It's a collaborative working together, success all of you. Like the right hand cannot do anything without the left hand. The one eye cannot do anything without the other eye. So all of you collectively, you have worked together. And I know that there is nothing impossible if you have that good coordination, if you have that good cooperation. Nothing is impossible. The school is a very good school, I know, because every year I used to check the result. It's 100%, like what Miss has stated, 100%. And these students who come out from Crest, they are really the cream. They are really the cream. Why I say that they are really the cream? Because when they go anywhere, they shine. They shine in their, in their studies, in their excellence, in their academic careers, they shine. Most probably, perhaps, some of them, they must have been in the very good settled, in a very good place of work and all these things by now, in a good position, perhaps. And we hope also for all the three and the other has come up successfully this year also. They'll do well in their exams. These students of class 11 and 12, now they have to start preparing themselves. Where they want to go. If you want to go for medical, you know very well. If you want to go for engineering, if you want to become a teacher, NCTE has made it a professional now. Not like past class 12 you go and teach. No, without this degree we cannot teach. So there are lots of reforms now in education in our country. So we're required to update ourselves. As the administrator of the schools also, they're required to update. As academicians also, they're required to update. As educationists also, they're required to update ourselves. And also, as students who need to pursue their higher education, we need to update ourselves. So I congratulate the schools, and I hope that the schools will, do better and better in the years to come. That is my best wishes to the administrator, to the principal, to the vice principal, to the teachers, as well as to the student of the school. Thank you so much, and God will bless you.